Pisces, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energy starting from 11th till 17th of October. In this video I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. To book a tarot reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Alright, so let's see what's there for my Pisces. 11th till 17th of October, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, Pisces. At the back of the deck we have Knight of Wands. There's a proper zeal for something. It could be some passion. You might be doing something new, might be learning some new skills, and you're putting a lot of interest and energies in that situation. Whatever you are doing, wherever you are putting all your efforts, all your energies in that thing. It could be a new job, it could be a relationship, it could be anything around you. No matter whatever has happened in your life, but you are putting efforts in the present. Okay, in the past we have Five of Cups, the Tower, the Three of Swords in reverse. You could be healing from a situation. There could be a breakup in the past. It could be an ending, it could be a sudden ending. Really like emotional damage might have been done to you. A lot of emotional damage was there, but you recovered from that thing. Okay, in the present we have the Emperor, Queen of Cups and Queen of Pentacles. This thing carries, see, the past is finished, but still sometimes we have a little small injuries of the past. Okay, so they still are there, which makes you feel emotional. At the same time you feel confident that you have come this far from that thing. In the present we have in the future we have Page of Cups, Seven of Wands in reverse and Six of Wands. You might be getting new messages in the coming future, or it could be some new job messages, a letter, a call letter, it could be. Okay, so it could be anything which is coming towards you. A very good message is coming towards you. Whatever you might be waiting for this thing, but yeah, something is coming towards you with a victory sign for you, Pisces. So stay tuned, what is coming we are going to clarify now. Knight of Wands. Why the Knight of Wands is here? We have Seven of Swords in reverse, we have Six of Swords in reverse, and we have Five of Wands in reverse. Wow. Okay, so there could be a situation where it was some agreements. Okay, it could be a situation which was not coming towards an agreement, like between you and your person, or a situation, and now all of a sudden the things ended. All of a sudden everything just came back into one thing, and everyone agreed in that thing, and it made you feel like, okay, finally we are at same page. So this is why you are really happy for whatever you are doing, wherever you are internally happy, you are internally satisfied somewhere. Okay, things are not like running, but things are fine, things are normal, but at least things are fine, because you always have some or the other crap going on, but things right now are not going anywhere. Things are fine for you. In the past, let's see. Tell me more about the Three of Swords in reverse. I want to check. Strength, Three of Swords in reverse again. Wow. And the Tower in reverse. Okay, so this could be a situation where things came towards an end, and after that ending, when you were recovering from that thing, again you thought to rebuild yourself. Either this is the situation where you were rebuilding yourself, or the person with whom you have the endings were there, that person or that situation might have come again, and it started to rebuild again. But for many of you, it's a situation where you had a lot of courage, and you put a lot of courage and strength, and you recovered yourself, and you rebuilt yourself. You are now at a state where, yes, this thing really makes you feel bad sometimes, but you have recovered. You have gone through a long way, and you did it, Pisces. Might be dealing with Aries, Capricorn, or Cancer over here. Let's see the Emperor energy. Page of Pentacles, Eight of Wands in reverse, Knight of Cups, and Judgment. Okay, so there's a decision making which might be going on right now. Things are fine, although you are really ambitious about the situation you are dealing with. You might be dealing with a love affair or something, but for many of you might be dealing with two people, so that is why the Judgment energy is here. You need to take some strong steps towards the situation. You cannot make things more delay now. Okay, for some of you. Why the Queen of Cups is here? The Star in reverse, Eight of Swords, and the Chariot in reverse, the World in reverse, and the Emperor in reverse. You feel like the hopes are lost. See, the situation which has been ended in the past, you do not want to start it again. But still, you want to know what exactly happened, why the things happened. I don't know why, but you really have that zeal to know why things happened and what the other person is doing. You want to know a lot about some person or a situation. But honestly speaking, Pisces, things have been ended. I would not suggest you to look in the back too much. It's more about yourself right now. Just put all the energies in yourself. Although I'm seeing in the coming future, in the present you might be feeling like that way, but in the coming future, you're more into yourself. Wow. Tell me more about the Seven of Wands in reverse. Three of Cups, Four of Cups in reverse, and Page of Swords in reverse. So there could be some gossiping involved in the coming future about you, because you might be getting some victory, Pisces. It could be some kind of a beautiful message, a message which you were waiting for, a job letter you were waiting for, something good in your family, for because of which you are the one who is actually given a lot of recognition. So it could be a recognition in your job, anything. Yes, because I'm seeing celebrations around you. So you might be celebrating this with your friends, family, and that is why a lot of gossiping is also about to happen. So just stay tuned for the best to come, because people are not going to like it, but it will be good for you. Okay, so Six of Wands. King of Swords, Justice, and Ten of Wands. Whatever things which have always made you so much heavy, They are now coming towards an end. You are now taking a big risk or big step of your life where you will be the one who will be given recognition, who will be given attention, and things are going your way now, Pisces. Okay, so just all the best for that, because your energies are really positive which are coming towards you. I want to check Page of Cups as well, some energies. Ace of Wands in reverse, more cards. Okay, the Lovers in reverse, Ace of Wands in reverse, and Ten of Cups in reverse. If you're waiting for some kind of a message from the past in regards with your marriage or love from your ex, if you are wanting that, that is not going to happen, Pisces, because it's more about you now. I don't see any ex coming back. I don't see any ex coming back with a smile or with happiness, or will be bringing happiness to you. I don't see that happening. But what I'm seeing is happiness, not because of an ex, but because of you yourself. Okay, so that is all from my side, Pisces. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.